Good morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will study about comparing and ordering fractions. How to compare and how to write in order the fractions. So now I will explain you how to compare the fractions. Whenever we have like fraction then directly we can compare. जब भी हमारे पास like fractions होते हैं तो directly we can compare by the numerator. Okay, by comparing the numerator we can check that which is big, which is small. Suppose we are having 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10. Now what is there? Denominators are same. So whenever denominators are same, that means these are the like fractions. So now which numerator is big? That fraction is big. Now 2 is big, that means this is big, and 1 is small, so this is small. Okay, whenever same denominator, so directly we can check numerators. Which numerator is big, that fraction is big. Which numerator is small, that fraction is small. As if there is 10 marks test and you are getting 1 and from 10 you are getting 2, so you know 2 is greater and 1 is smaller, so that means 2 upon 10 is greater and 1 upon 10 is smaller. Suppose you are having 5 upon 15, 8 upon 15, 12 upon 15. Now in these all denominators are same. Okay, so now you will compare by numerator. Now there is 5, there is 8, there is 12, so that means 5 is the smallest, then 8, then 12. Okay, so whenever denominators are same, so that's easy. Only you will check the numerator. Which numerator is small, that fraction is small. Which numerator is big, that fraction is big. But when your denominators are not equal, if your denominators are different, then how you will compare? If your denominators are different, so what we call them? We call them unlike a fraction. Okay, when denominators are same, that is called like fraction. When denominators are different, that is unlike a fraction. So if you have 6 upon 10 and 7 upon 12. Now what is there? There is denominator 10 and there is 12. So how can we compare? Now we can't compare by numerator. As we done in like fraction, we don't do in unlike fraction like that. वैसे हम नहीं करेंगे जैसे हमने like में किया. First of all, there is two method. Okay, one is by cross multiplication we can compare. Yesterday I explained you in recap exercise. By cross multiplication we can compare that which is big, which is small. Cross multiplication how we do? First numerator, second denominator. Then first denominator and second numerator we multiply. Okay. So 6 multiplied by 12. That's equals to 72. Now 10 multiplied by 7. That's equals to 70. Now which is big? 72 is big. That means first fraction is big. Okay. So we can compare by the cross multiplication. First numerator, second denominator multiply. Then first denominator and second numerator multiply. Then we will compare that which product is big. That fraction will be big. First product is big. That means first fraction is big. If second product is big, that means second fraction is big. But this is the another way. But if you have more than that is in only two fractions. If you have two fractions, then you can compare like this. But when you have more than two, so how you will compare? So first of all, we should make them like fraction. हम उनको like fraction में change करेंगे. One method तो cross multiplication हो गया. Second हम इसको कैसे कर सकते हैं? Two या more than two fractions है. So we can make them like fraction. हम उनको like fraction में change करके भी कर सकते हैं. Okay? Like fraction means we should make their denominators same. हम इनके denominators को same बनाएंगे. How will make their denominators same? By finding LCM of denominators. पहले हम लिस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल निकालेंगे. ऐसा पहला नंबर जिसकी टेबल में 10 भी आए, जिसकी 10 की टेबल में वो नंबर आए, LCM हम फाइंड करेंगे फर्स्ट एज अ मल्टीपल that will come in both number table, in 10 table also, in 12 table also. Okay, so by that we can make their equivalent fraction. फिर हम इसको equivalent fraction में change करेंगे and then we can compare. So firstly we find their 10 and 12 LCM. 10 12 both come in 2 table. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. 6 again come in 2 table, and you can leave here only because 5 is a prime number, and in 5 table 6 is not come. Okay, so we can leave here only LCM 2 into 5 into 6. Now 5 2s are 10, 10 6 are 60. So our LCM is 60. So first of all we find LCM. Now we convert these into like फ्रैक्शन. अब हम इनको लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. इनका डिनोमिनेटर्स हम जो LCM है वो बनाएंगे. LCM is 60 means this also will make 60 and this also will make 60. So how can we make 60? By writing their equivalent fraction. So in 10 table where we have 60 on 6, 10 6 are 60. So we should make its equivalent sixth equivalent fraction. We should multiply numerator and denominator by 6. So 6 upon 10 equals to 6 upon 10 multiply by 6 multiply by 6. Why we are multiplying and why we are changing? For making them like a fraction. When that will be like, so we can compare easily. जब डिनोमिनेटर हमारा सेम होगा तो ओनली न्यूमरेटर से हम उसको कंपेयर कर लेंगे. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि हम सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर को हम 60 बना दें, न्यूमरेटर 6 ही रहेगा. नो, that will be wrong. When we are changing denominator, so we should change numerator also. Denominator को हम जिससे मल्टीप्लाई करके 60 बनाएंगे तो सेम नंबर से हम न्यूमरेटर को भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So we should multiply by 6 both. So 6 6 are 36 and 10 6 are 60. Okay, so 36 upon 60. Now we will take second fraction. Second is 7 upon 12. So 7 upon 12. Now in 12 table where is 60? 12 5s are 60 on 5 number. So that means we should multiply numerator and denominator both by 5. ये नहीं कि हम सिर्फ 12 को कर दिया हमने 5 से और 7 को छोड़ दिया. So that will be wrong. Both should be multiplied by 5. जब हम denominator को change करें तो we should change our numerator also. Now 7 5s are 35 and 12 5s are 60. What is this? These are the equivalent fraction that also you study in class 4. These we write whenever numerator and denominator multiplied by the same number. So there is no effect on the fraction. Value should be same. सिर्फ ये look wise change हो गए हमारे, but the value is same. इनकी value जो है वो 6 upon 10. इसका मतलब ये है कि 6 upon 10. The value is same. Okay, only look में different way because we are 6 upon 6 means whenever numerator and denominator same. That means that's equals to 1. Okay, so whenever we are multiplying any number by 1, so number itself. So fraction सिर्फ look में change हुआ है, otherwise the meaning is same. So now we can compare. There is 60, there is also 60. So we should compare only numerator. There is 35 and there is 36. That means 6 upon 10 is big and 7 upon 12 is small. So 6 upon 10 is greater than 7 upon 12. So like this we can compare when we have unlike fractions. जब हमारे पास unlike fractions हो तो या तो हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई से करें, टू फ्रैक्शन को तो हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई से भी कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. बट व्हेन वी हैव मोर देन 2, सो वी शुड चेंज लाइक दिस and then we can arrange in ascending and descending order also. Okay, and we can compare like this also. For ascending and descending also we will do the same process. We should change that into like fraction and then we will compare. Okay, so like this we will do. Let me start our exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Question number 1 is there. Simplify the given fractions. Here is given fractions that you have to simplify. Simplify means you will reduce in lowest term. Okay, आपको इनको lowest term में reduce करना है. Simplification का मतलब ये है. So as I told you the method, whenever we reduce in lowest term, so we find HCF of numerator and denominator. But one more method is there. Directly also you can do you can do by the cancelling method. Cancelling method means you should divide. Orally आप पता लगा लेंगे numerator and denominator will come in which table, and by that orally you will divide and then you can find your answer. Okay, one is finding by HCF and second is cancelling method. Okay, so HCF I told you, HCF method I told you in recap exercise. Now directly we will simplify them. Okay, so first of all A part, 25 upon 30. So as we know, we will find the greatest number in which numerator and denominator both, in which table numerator and denominator both come. Okay, so we will see that 25 and 30 both come in 5 table. Okay, so that means we can cancel by 5. To cancel by 5 means we should divide them by 5. So in 5 table where come, हमें सेम नंबर चूज करना है. बाय द सेम नंबर वी शुड डिवाइड न्यूमरेटर आल्सो एंड डिनोमिनेटर आल्सो. ये नहीं कि आप न्यूमरेटर को तो 7 से कर रहे हैं, डिनोमिनेटर को आप 5 से कर रहे हैं. नो, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट नहीं होने चाहिए. न्यूमरेटर यू शुड डिवाइड बाय द सेम नंबर टू द न्यूमरेटर आल्सो एंड डिनोमिनेटर आल्सो. ओके, so there is 5 is the common number by which we can divide numerator also and denominator also. So we should divide 5 5s are 25 and 5 6 are 30. Okay, so now we will see that 5 is a prime number and in 5 table we don't have 6. That means now it's come in lowest term. Now we have reduced, we have simplified it. So there will come in numerator there will come 5 and in denominator there will come 6. So this is the simplification. Okay, so you have to select a number in which table both come. Largest number, आप सबसे बड़ा नंबर ऐसा सोचेंगे जिसकी टेबल में बोथ आए. ओके, नाउ इट्स बी पार्ट 18 upon 36. So we can see that in 18 table we have 36. 18 2 jar 36. तो हम 18 ही हमें लार्जेस्ट नंबर सेलेक्ट करना है इन विच टेबल बोथ कम. सो 18 की टेबल में बोथ आर कमिंग, सो वी सेलेक्ट 18. सो डिवाइड बाय 18 डिवाइडेड बाय 18, 18 ones are 18. 36 divided by 18, that is 18 2 jar 36. So now you get 1 upon 2. Okay, 2 is a prime number and 1 is neither prime nor composite. Now 10 upon 10. So 10 upon 10 both come in 10 table. So we will cancel by 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10. We should divide both by 10. So it's become 1 upon 1 and 1 upon 1 means 1. Okay, so like this you can do. Now 15 upon 20. So as we know 15 and 20 both are coming in 5 table. So we should cancel by 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. 3 is a prime number and in 3 table 4 not come. So that means this is our lowest term. 3 upon 4. That's your answer. So like this you will cancel. Cancel, how to cancel? We will select a number by which numerator and denominator both are divisible. Okay. Next, now question number 2. Find the lowest common denominator for each part by the division method. Lowest common denominator. Lowest common denominator means you should find LCM of denominators. Okay. Each part by division method. किस मेथड से आपको फाइंड करना है? डिवीजन मेथड से. आपको डिनोमिनेटर्स का LCM फाइंड करना है by the division method. Okay. So A part 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4. So we should find LCM of the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So we find here 2, 3, 4. This is the division method because there is saying that by division method. Now we see that 2 and 4 both come in 2 tables. So we will choose 2 as a divisor. Now 2 ones are 2, 3 as it is because 3 will not come in 2 table. 2 2s are 4. Now you can see that 3 is also prime number, 2 is also prime number. So we can leave. Now that means we have divided by all because 2 and 3 will not come in common table. So nothing common will be there. यहाँ पे कोई common नहीं आएगा. Okay. So now we find here lowest common denominator. Okay. So we write here lowest common denominator. Equals to, downside we can write 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. So we can leave 1 because any number multiplied by 1, the number itself. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. 2 3 are 6, 6 2 are 12. So that's your answer. This is asking only lowest common denominator. So the same way you should do the B part also. I take here B part also, and C and D you should do yourself. Okay. So here is in B part 5 upon 6, 7 upon 8 and 9 upon 10. Okay. Now we do, what's the denominator here? 6, 8 and 10. So first of all we find LCM of 6, 8 and 10. Now we find their LCM 6, 8, 10. Okay. Now we can see that all three comes in 2 table. Okay. So first of all we divide it by 2. So 2 is there. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. Now again we will see that 4 will come in 2 table. Okay. So again we will choose 2 as a divisor. Now 3 will as it is. 2 2s are 4 and 5 will as it is because it is also not coming in 2 table. Now we will see that 3, 2, 5 all are the prime numbers. So they will not come in each other table. ये कोई भी एक दूसरे की टेबल में नहीं आएंगे because 2 is smallest prime number, 3 is also prime number, 5 is also prime number. So we can leave. No need to do because 2 again come in 2 table, 3 will come in 3 table, 5 will come in 5 table. So we can leave here because all are the prime numbers. So as I told you that when we have in last prime numbers means 2, 3, 5. So we can leave. But ये नहीं कि यहाँ पे भी 3 है, यहाँ पे भी 3 है तो भी आप छोड़ रहे हो. अगर 2 times 3 है, so we will take here common. 2 times 5 है, so we will take here common. 2 times 2 है, so also common. Different होने चाहिए यहाँ पे. अगर same है, so we will take here common. That should be different. अब यहाँ पे देखो अलग अलग है 3, 2, 5. So we can leave. But if there is 3, so we take here common 3. Okay. So now we find lowest common denominator. Lowest common denominator equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. Sorry, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, not 4. That is 2 and multiplied by 5. So now we multiply them. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 25 and 4 5s are, आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and then 5 2s are 10, 12 10s are 120. Like this you can easily multiply because you don't know the 24 table. आपको multiply करके देखना पड़ेगा तो आप ऐसे orally कर सकते हो. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. ये पेयर यहाँ पे फिनिश हो गया. Then 5 2s are 10. Then 12 10s are 120. That's your answer. So like this you can do. Now C and D part you will do yourself. Question number 3. Now question number 3. Compare by finding the LCM of the denominators. Here you have to compare both fractions by finding LCM of denominators. आपको डिनोमिनेटर का LCM फाइंड करके देखो. डायरेक्टली तो आपने किया था अभी रिकैप एक्सरसाइज में. By cross multiplication you compare, but now you will not compare by cross multiplication. You will compare by finding the LCM of denominator. So in the beginning I explained you that how can you compare by taking LCM of denominator. So like that we will do. Firstly we find LCM of denominators. So denominator in A part you have denominator 3 and 5. There is 2 upon 3, there is 4 upon 5. So LCM of 3 and 5. So now listen carefully. Whenever you have both are prime numbers, so directly you can find their LCM by multiplying. जब आपके पास both prime number है तो हमें ऐसे डिवीजन में ऐसे शो करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Directly we can find by multiplication because both are prime, so they will not come in each other table. Okay, so directly we can do 3 multiply by 5. 3 5s are 15, so our LCM is 15. Now we should make it in like a fraction. How we will make like fraction? Firstly we will take 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3. Now we should make the denominator equals to 15. How can we make 15? Multiply by 5. So 2 upon 3. Both will be multiplied by 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. It's become 10 upon 15. Now we will take second fraction, 4 upon 5. Again we make the denominator 15. So how will be 5 will be 15 multiplied by 3. So 4 upon 5, both numerator and denominator multiply by 3. Now 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. Now both denominator 15 15. Now we will compare only numerator. So there is 10 in numerator and there is 12. So which is big? 12 is big. That means 4 upon 5 is big and 2 upon 3 is small. So now we write here 2 upon 3 is small. So we will use here less than symbol. Smaller than 4 upon 5. That's your solution. Okay. So like this you will solve. A and B part I take here. C and D you should do yourself. Okay. Now it's the B part. There is 3 upon 8, 4 upon 8. So first of all we find LCM of 8 and 4. There is saying that find the LCM of denominator. By that we compare. So we find LCM of 4 and 8. 8 and 4. So firstly 8 is there. So we write 8 and 4. So find here 8, 4. Both come into table. So take here 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Again both come into table. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Again come into table. Otherwise you can leave here only. आप यहाँ पे भी छोड़ सकते हो. लेना चाहो तो यहाँ पे ले सकते हो. 2 1s are 2 and 1 as it is. Okay. And if you want to leave here, you can leave there only. Okay, as your wish you can do. There is no problem. Now we write LCM equals to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Now there is 1 1, so no need to write them. Okay. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay. So what's your LCM? 8. One oral way also I am telling you. If two numbers are there and in smaller number table you have big number. The smaller is 4. In 4 table you have 8. 4 2s are 8. So big number will be our LCM and small will be our HCF. जो smaller होता है वो HCF होता है और जो big होता है वो LCM होता है. तो आप verify भी कर सकते हो. Okay? So like this you will find LCM. आप यहाँ पे ये भी छोड़ सकते थे इतना भी, तो भी वही होता 2 into 2 into 2. Now we compare 3. Firstly make them like a fraction. So 3 upon 8. Now we change it into like fraction. So our denominator is LCM is also 8 and denominator is also 8. So 8 ones are 8. So 3 upon 8 multiply by 1 multiply by 1. So it's a 3 upon 8 same. Now we take second fraction 3 upon 4. Now in 4 table where is 8? On 2 numbers. So 3 upon 4 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Now both denominators are 8, 8. Okay. So now we compare numerator. There is 6, there is 3. So which is big? 6 is big. So that means second fraction is big. First is small. There is also second big, first small. So 3 upon 8 is less than 3 upon 4. That's your answer. आपको जो आंसर में राइट करना है वो आपको रियल फ्रैक्शन जो है वो ही राइट करनी है. वो चाहे हम असेंडिंग डिसेंडिंग करें तब भी हमें जो रियल फ्रैक्शंस है वो ही राइट करने हैं। ये सिर्फ हम जो लाइक में चेंज करते हैं, जो इक्विवेलेंट बनाते हैं इनके, दैट इज ओनली फॉर कंपेयरिंग, नॉट फॉर राइटिंग। ये सिर्फ हम चेक करने के लिए कि विच इज बिग विच इज स्मॉल, फॉर दैट वी डू ओनली। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन 4. It's a C and D part, you will do yourself. Now question 4, fill in the boxes for equivalent fractions. Okay, आपको equivalent fraction बनाने हैं और boxes में fill करना है. So A part is there, 7/10 equals to box upon 20. Now there is equal symbol. When we have equal symbol, when both sides are equal. So now we compare them. In 10 table there is 20. So 10 2 जा 20. इसका मतलब हमने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है. For making equivalent fraction, we multiply by 2 denominator. So that means numerator also will be multiplied by 2. So 7 multiplied by 2, 7 2 जा 14. So we write here 14. Okay. Now it's B part. Now we compare. Again there is equal symbol. Both sides should be equal. So 3 and there is 12 and 5 there is box. So we will see that in 3 table where we have 12. 4. That means numerator multiply by 4. So when numerator multiply by 4, so denominator also multiply by 4. So 5 4s are 20. So we fill here 20. Okay. Whenever you have equivalent fraction, so you can compare them. That if numerator is given, so compare numerators. If denominator is given, then compare denominators. So now see part 6/7. Here is denominator already given. So in 7 table where we have 28. 7 4s are 28. That means 4 से multiply किए. When denominator multiply by 4, so numerator also multiply by 4. So 6 4s are 24. Okay. Next 4/9. In 9 table where is 45? 9 5s are 45. When it multiply by 5, so numerator also multiply by 5. So 4 5s are 20. Now both are equivalent. Okay. So like this you will solve. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Write the fractions in ascending order. I take here A part. B, C, D you will do yourself. Okay. So you should write in ascending order. So whenever we write in ascending and descending order, the process is same. That's why I take one part of descending order. Question 6 is descending order. And question 5 is ascending order. So I take one part of ascending and one part of descending. So the rest part you will solve yourself. B, C, D of question 5 and 6 you should solve yourself. Okay. How we will do? The same process will follow. Only the arrangement will be changed. In ascending we arrange from small to big. And in descending we arrange from big to small. Now you will see that A part 1/4, 2/5, 3/8. So we can see that denominators are different. These are not same. So when denominators are same, then we can directly compare. But denominators are different. So for that, firstly we make denominator same. So how we will make denominator same? As I told you that we should find the LCM of denominators and then we will write their equivalent fraction and then we can compare. Okay. So firstly we find LCM of denominators. Okay. Firstly find LCM of denominators. So denominators are which? 4, 5, 8. So we find LCM of 4, 5 and 8. So as we can see that 4 and 8 will come in 2 table. So first of all we take here 2 as a divisor. 2 2s are 4, 5 as it is, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 and 4 both come in 2 table. So again we divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 5 as it is and 2 2s are 4. Now we can see 5 and 2 both are prime numbers. So we can leave because अगर हम आगे भी करेंगे तो अगेन 2 लेंगे फिर 5 लेंगे तब मीनिंग इज सेम, लास्ट में 1 बना हो जाएंगे. सो वी कैन लीव हेयर ओनली. हमें ज़्यादा बड़ा आगे बढ़ाने की जरूरत नहीं है. वी कैन लीव हेयर ओनली बिकॉज 5 and 2 both are the prime numbers. So now we write here LCM of 4, 5 and 8 equals to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 2. Okay, we don't write 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40. Okay, so 40 is your LCM. Now what should we do? अब हम क्या करें? We should convert in equivalent fraction. So now we shall form. Now we shall form in which? In equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction with denominator 40. Now we shall form equivalent fraction with denominator 40. डिनोमिनेटर इज 40 है, तो 40 डिनोमिनेटर से अब हम इनके सारे क्या बनाएंगे? इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. ओके, वी शुड चेंज ऑल विद डिनोमिनेटर 40. ये जो जितने भी फ्रैक्शन है उनकी डिनोमिनेटर हम 40 बना देंगे. ओके, सो वी राइट हियर नाउ वी शैल फॉर्म इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन विद डिनोमिनेटर 40. अब हम इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन बनाएंगे डिनोमिनेटर 40 लेके. So 4 will become 40. How will we will take here fraction 1 upon 4. Now how can be 4 become 40? Multiply by 10. 4 tens are 40. So 1 upon 4 multiply by 10 multiply by 10. We should decide the table of denominator. In denominator table where we have LCM. Otherwise second way we can see by divide. Okay, denominator को हम जो आपका एलसीएम उसको हम डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करें. 40 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. सो वी कैन गेट दैट बाय विच वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. सो 4 1s are 4 and 4 zeros are 0. Okay, so we should multiply by 10. So if there is big number you can't decide the table, so you can see by divide also. Okay, LCM divided by denominator. LCM को डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करके देख लो. So you will get the quotient. By that quotient you should multiply both numerator and denominator. Now 10 1s are 10 and 10 4s are 40. Okay, now we take our second fraction. Second is what? 2 upon 5. So we take here 2 upon 5. Now again in 5 table where is 40? 5 8s are 40. That means both we should multiply by 8. 5 also and 2 also. Numerator and denominator both multiply by 8. 8 2s are 16 and 5 8s are 40. सबके डिनोमिनेटर 40 बनेंगे. Now third is 3 upon 8. Now in 8 table where is 40? 8 5s are 40. So 3 upon 8 multiply by 5. Multiply by 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 8s are 40. Now all we make equivalent fraction. हमने न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करके we make their equivalent fraction. हमने सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने का मतलब we are getting equivalent fraction. So we get their equivalent fraction. Now we can compare by these because all 40 40 40 denominators are same. So clearly now you can get from there that which is big, which is small. So we can see that which is the smallest one? 10, then 15, then 16. That means first fraction is the smallest. So we write here ascending order. Ascending order. So which is the smallest one? First one 1 upon 4. So we write here 1 upon 4. Then after that you can compare by symbol also because this is the smallest one. So you can put here symbol. And if you don't want to put symbol, so you can take here comma also. ओके आप यहाँ पे ऐसे कोमा से भी लगा सकते हैं. कोमा आपका यहाँ पे जो फ्रैक्शनल लाइन होती है उसके साथ लगता है, नीचे नहीं. सम स्टूडेंट टेक हेयर कोमा, सो दैट इज रॉन्ग. आपको यहाँ नहीं लगाना है, ये रॉन्ग होता है. आपको कोमा लगाना है तो यहाँ पे लगाना है. अदरवाइज आपको क्या करना है, सिंबल से कंपेयर कर देना. दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट वन. नाउ विच वन इज द greater than this? 3/8. So we take here 3/8. Then after that, next is again we take less than symbol because we are arranging ascending order. Now next is 2/5. So I hope you get all the process. ऐसे ही आपको करना है. सेम यही प्रोसेस आपकी डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में होगी. सबसे पहले same process we should follow in descending order also. Okay, firstly we make denominator same, then we convert into equivalent fraction, and then we should compare. Okay, so now question 6, write the fraction in descending order. Now we should write them in descending order. So first of all we should find the LCM of denominator. Firstly, same line we should write. Firstly we find LCM of denominators. Okay, first we find LCM of denominators. So we find here 2, 3, 4. Now 2 and 4 come in two tables. So firstly we take here 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 as it is. 2 2s are 4. Now we can see that these are the prime numbers. 3 and 2 are the prime numbers. They not come in each other table. So we can leave here. Now we write here LCM of 2, 3 and 4. So we write here equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. Now 2 3s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. So your LCM is 12. That means we should make all the denominators 12. Okay. Now we convert. Now we shall form equivalent. Now we shall form equivalent fractions with denominator 12. Now here is denominator will be 12. Okay. So with denominator 12 we should write the equivalent fraction with denominator 12. Now first is 1/2. So we take here 1/2. Now 2 will become 12. How can it become 12? Multiply by 6. So 1/2 multiply by 6. Multiply by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 2s are 12. Now next is 2/3. Now how 3 will become 12? 3 4s are 12. So 2/3 multiply by 4 multiply by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. Next is 3/4. Now how will become 4 12? In 4 table where we have 12? 4 3s are 12. So 3/4 both will be numerator and denominator both should be multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. Okay. So you will compare the denominators because we should make the denominator 12. So we should recite the table of denominator where we are getting 12. Okay. So in 4 table 4 3s are 12. Now here is 6/12, 8/12, 9/12. So as we know which is the big? 9 is big. So this is the largest one. So we write here descending order. Descending order. So as we know beta, which is the largest one? 3/4. 9/10 comes from 3/4. So we write here 3/4. Now which symbol? Greater than, because this is the largest one. Then after that 8/12. It's come from 2/3. So we write the original fraction. Because these are the original. These we make equivalent. But we don't, only for compare we see them. But write the original one. Okay. Then after that 1/2. You can put here comma also and you can put the symbol also. As your best you can do. So take care about that. How you will do? Only for comparison we will see them, but write the original one. Okay? And C, B, C, D part you will do yourself. Thank you.